Hello, we're the Brain and Genomics Hub. In this video, we'll show you what you can expect on your study visit to Cardiff University. When you take part in our B-Sprint research study, you'll be invited to attend a study visit at the Cardiff University Brain Research Imaging Centre, or CUBRIC for short. The study visit day will include a variety of different assessments, and you'll be with us for around 6 hours. If you'd like someone to attend with you, just let us know. If arriving on foot, you can enter through the doors on Maindy Road. If you're visiting CUBRIC by car, pull into the car park between the Hayden Ellis building on your right and the School of Optometry building on your left. Turn right to follow the road around the back of the Hayden Ellis building and then turn right again into the car park. You'll find designated patient parking spaces just outside the CUBRIC building. You can then head into the back entrance of CUBRIC. When you enter CUBRIC, the receptionist will show you how to validate your parking. Be sure to pop in your vehicle registration into the tablet. One of our researchers will then meet you in reception and bring you through to the clinical rooms. The first thing you will do is complete a consent form. You will also have some questionnaires to complete. You will have been given the opportunity to do these at home as part of our study screening process. Otherwise, you'll do them at this point in the study visit. This should take around an hour. You will then be asked some questions by 2 of our research assistants. This will include questions about your mental health and life experiences. The question session will take place in a private room, and please try to bring a list of names and doses of your current medication with you. This will take about an hour and a half. You'll then have a comfort break. Toilets are signposted around the building, and tea and coffee will be provided for you. There's also a coffee and vending machine in the reception area. Just ask one of our research team if you need anything at all. After the break, you'll begin some tasks related to memory and concentration. Our research assistants will lead these cognitive tests with you, and you'll be asked to follow some instructions. This will help us better understand things like memory and learning styles. Don't worry, there's no right or wrong answers to these tests, and they should last around 30 minutes. You'll then have a lunch break before moving into the afternoon sessions of the study visit. This will include 2 brain scans. You will then be asked to change into scrubs ready for the scans. There is a separate changing room with lockers for you to store your things. We'll also ask you to remove any jewellery and face makeup. In a private space, we will then measure your height and weight before collecting a blood sample from you. This will be taken in the same way as you would have a blood test. The first brain scan will be a magnetoencephalography scan, also known as a MEG scan. This will help us monitor your brain activity and will take around 1 hour. Before the MEG scan, one of our researchers will attach some sticky pads called electrodes to your head, wrists and elbow, which do not hurt. Once the electrodes are in place, a researcher will start the head digitization process. A band will be placed around your head and a stylus will be run over your head in different directions. This will create a digital map of your head, which will be visible on a screen in front of you. You will then enter the MEG scanner, and a researcher will help you into the seat and give you earplugs. Your chair will be raised, and you'll be given a chin rest to make sure you're comfortable. Once in position, the researcher will leave the scanner room and close the door. There's a mic and a speaker in the room, so you can speak to the research team at any time during the scan. You'll then be asked to complete 4 tasks using a button box while our researchers observe your results. Following another comfort break, you'll move into the final assessment of the study visit, which is a magnetic resonance imaging, or MRI scan. The MRI scan will give us information on how your brain looks and should take 1 hour. A member of the team will talk you through the screening and consent form for the scan before showing you where you can get changed into scrubs again. Once changed and ready to begin, you will be given earplugs and help to get into the scanner bed. You'll need to lie still for a while when in the MRI scanner, and pads will be placed around your head to make you comfortable. You'll also be given a blanket if you like, and a squeezy ball. You can press the squeezy ball at any time if you need help. You'll be able to choose from a selection of films with subtitles to watch while you're in the scanner, which you can choose when you arrive for the study. Once the scan is complete, you've finished your study visit. You can change out of your clothes, collect your belongings and head home. As a thank you for your time, you'll receive £100. If you have any questions for the study team, please email us on brainandgenomicshub@cardiff.ac.uk. Thank you for taking part in this research project, and we look forward to welcoming you to the Brain and Genomics Hub.